Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to distribute boxes evenly in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document. Then you can see here are my boxes. Now I am distribute this. Firstly, drag and select the all boxes and go to the Windows menu and go to the object and layout and click align. Then you can see here are the align panel. Then you can see here are distribute spacing. Now click this check mark and click distribute vertically spacing. Click distribute horizontal spacing. You can increase this sum and click this. You can increase and click this distribute horizontally spacing. Increase and click this. Now I am select 0.02. Then click this. Select. Now you can see distribute boxes evenly in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.